Hey, this is Kaya, your Colorado property chick, and of course your preferred lender. Today I want to talk about credit, how to keep it good, and why it's important. An FHA loan requires a minimum score of 580 credit, but the 580 comes with contingencies. You need to have reserves, and you need to have excellent pay history over the last 12 months. Keep in mind, with a 580 credit score, your interest rate is going to be very high. FHA allows you to put 3.5% down, whether you're a first-time home buyer or not. But the negative thing about FHA loan is that the mortgage insurance stays on the life of the loan if you do not at least put down 10%. If you put down 10%, it's on the loan for 11 years. The benefit about FHA though is you can put less money down, you can have a lower credit score, and a higher debt to income ratio. With conventional, that's like the Cadillac of the loans. You need to have 680 or above. Your mortgage insurance will fall off the loan once you reach 20%. But you can get a conventional loan, I would say at 660 or 650. However, your mortgage insurance will be extremely high. It's really not worth it. If you can get a conventional loan, first-time home buyer is 3% down. If you're not a first-time home buyer, it's a minimum of 5% down. So it's not much out of pocket, but I would advise really watching your credit. Pay everything on time. Do not be late. It kills your credit score. If you have collections, get them paid off. Do not open up any new lines of credit. All of this will hurt your credit score for anywhere from 3 to 6 months. All lines of credit, keep them under 30%. Anything above 30% of the credit limit actually hurts your credit each month. If you can get it down to about 10% of the credit limit, you will be improving your credit score monthly and lower your debt to income, which will allow you to qualify for more. Keep paying your bills on time and save, and call me when you're ready. I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for visiting my channel.